All right, my friends, I'm going to break down how to read and understand your InBody sheet. Today's Wednesday, meaning that everybody should be weighed in at this point. So up top, you have your 4-digit ID. That just is a unique PIN code for you, so you can pull up your your information as we go. Your height is probably not going to change. Your age may, if you have a birthday. Your gender probably won't change, and then the date. This is the total pounds. This is what you weigh. How many pounds do you weigh? You could look at that at your scale at home, right? 64.9 is the total pounds of body fat that this person is carrying, right? So that is not the body fat percentage. That is the total poundage that this person is carrying. To move closer to health and wellness, we want that number to go down, right? If you look in the upper right-hand corner, you see minus 37. So what that's saying is for this gentleman who is 5'10", he's 43. Ideally, he should strive to lose 37 pounds. This probably will not happen in 6 weeks, but you can very well start a massive trend in the right direction. In 6 weeks, you knock off 12, 15, maybe 20 pounds. That's not unrealistic. 37 is super aggressive, right? But over maybe 2 months, 3 months, this number comes closer to 0. So this is the recommended course of action, minus 37 pounds for this person. Yours is going to be a little bit different. Lean body mass. How much muscle should this person put on or take off? Right now, this person is in a good spot, 0.0. A+ report card looks like this, 0.0, 0.0. So this person, as far as body fat mass goes, they have some room for improvement. That's okay. Lean body mass, they're already doing really well. Basal metabolic rate. That is, how many calories does this person need in a resting state to maintain their skeletal muscle mass? This does not take into account any exercise, anything that they do throughout the day. So this is the base amount of calories a person would need just to sustain life at their current muscle that they carry. So we always add to this to take into account exercise and things along those lines. So far we know how much we weigh, how much is body fat, and our recommended course of action. Coming down, the next thing we want to look at is going to be your percentage body fat. It's on here twice. It's right here, and it's also down here, right? This person has done multiple InBodies. And you can see at one point they got to 16% body fat, and then something happened, and they're at 29. That's okay. Life happens. The goal is to identify and say, I don't like this. I want to go back to this, right? How do we do that? We do that through exercise, sleep, nutrition, and all of those things. So your body fat percentage is down here. So it's a simple math equation. Going up top, 64.9 is 29% of 223 pounds. This number, 94, 96, my camera's trying to focus, 97, 98, 99, 96, 90, is skeletal muscle mass, right? So you can see this person had a nice trend of their skeletal muscle mass going up for a little bit, and then again, something happened. In this case, it was a change in career and a break from the gym. You can kind of see what happens when you get a little off the beaten path. That's okay. The goal, though, is to realize I don't like where things are going, and I'm going to yank the e-brake and work on going the other direction. So how we determine a positive change in body composition is bringing this number down, body fat mass, and bringing this number up, this skeletal muscle mass, right? So that is a breakdown. The top is just your heading, telling you what's there. You've got your weight, you've got your body fat mass, you have a recommended course of action, you have your BMR, you have all that stuff just told you one more time. You have your BMI, which I don't care about, it's outdated information. You have this real beefy, in-depth breakdown of where the muscle is located. I'm not overly concerned with that. Nuts and bolts. How much do you weigh? How much of it is fat? How much of it is muscle? Maintain muscle or increase it. Decrease body fat. That is your breakdown of your InBody sheets. If you haven't weighed in, weigh in so you can look at yours.